Budin mo pa siya dito. Budin mak din.
Okay, then I will call upon Maham Barstus Nangturu, Natharmas Nangturu. Please come to the dais. You can. Maham Barstus is ex-CM of Ganges Automotive Council, and Natharmas Nangturu used to be ex-MDC of the Ganges Automotive Council. Okong Sis Naitang, please come. Compulsi have contested from MLA from Nongrem, organizer Dango UDP. Nangta iba Lawrence Nongrem, ba Lawrence Nongrem pada General Secretary Dango UDP Ribuhai, ba Kumjoro Secretary Dango UDP CEC. Tuan.
Then, who is also Deputy Chief Minister, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of our state, Meghalaya, Sri President Tensongji. Also, we have already stated our state president, who is also Rajya Sabha MP. I didn't have to mention again. All the ministers.
Bahaw arajar pulai kalama jong ke NPP kan kawe habro santli ke district jong garib hoy. Kajingat railam ka jong pi kalong kabor. Ay bakadong bakathan jong garib hoy kan pernai. Da kajingas no ktilang ka jong pi. Da kajingit bakajingat tili. Se sashi sin na soban ay kublay kerpang ya pi. Kublay shibun, thank you. Kordom hakakot.
Although it's quite late, but still then we are wishing all the best in your assignment to complete your term to serve the people of Meghalaya and the nation.
Hakene ka by election ngalong again si Ba Martin Dango. Ngala Christian ni Ba Pius Marway. They sorry for that. Mentang ilapoy biyang siya ka jingi kendo bania perkhat benia bahaya kini naman i ki bun ki daw ki bide rengkat bat ka konferensi ke jungi ngisule ran ban pai siya ka ran kor konferensi hagi jo ko
to welcome Shri M. Dango of the National People's Party. It is indeed a great honor to welcome you and to have you in our family, sir. I also would like to thank and welcome Srimati Macdalyne S Mawlong, the MDC of Umsting constituency. Madam, I'm sure that with your entry, with the background that you have, with the kind of will and determination you have to work for your people, I'm sure that you will add huge benefit and a lot of strength to the party. As I said, especially when it comes to the issues of our youth and of the women, and also of the constituency that you represent, and also the constituency that you are going to represent. So welcome, madam, to the National People's Party. I also take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Hambertus Nongtudu.